This short video is to show you how to start working with gradients. I showed in my instructions for the pencil illustration kind of what the effect of it is. But I'm going to walk you through how to work with the gradients because there's a lot of little details that can take some time to find them. So as I said in my instructions, I like to make a copy of the shape I'm doing so I can layer and have a lot more control over the gradients effect. So I'm going to take the eraser and I'm going to hold my Option key down and click and drag to make a copy. And then here in the fill panel, remember fill is the inside color, I'm going to put on here the radial gradient. There's also a linear gradient. And I'm going to do radial just to kind of match how the light looks on the band here. And then you'll notice here it says select stop to recolor with edit tool. So I'm going to just click this and it gives me my edit options. You'll notice too that now I've got my edit arrow selected and I can pull and drag kind of where that gradient is going. So this is the kind of the size and the angle of the gradient. And then the center one is the start point. So I'm going to put it kind of close up here like I did with the other one, and I'm going to pull it down this way so it kind of matches. So it's starting here and pulling that way. And you'll see that it just kind of took the color from the same area and went from there. Whichever one I pick is the, you'll see the color kind of jump. So I can go like way lighter over here to kind of give it a brighter kind of highlight. I can pull it around, kind of play with that. And then down here is the opacity. So this is how see-through it is. And I like to really kind of give it a light opacity so that when I then move it, get my regular selection tool, and I move it here, it's a lot, you can see how it's see-through. It's really subtle. Let me move these down. I'm going to select both these shapes. I held shift to select both of them. Oops, I'm going to go to my arrangement panel. Maybe. Oh, it's not letting me. Maybe I'll raise this one. Lower. Lower, lower. There we go. We'll do it that way. Whatever we need to do to make Boxy cooperate. And now you'll see I've got the highlight there. And it might be a little harsh and you can keep playing with that. But whenever you want to go back to it, just go back to your fill panel and you can go back to that edit tool. Or if you're here, you can also go into edit arrow and it will bring it right back up. And you can just kind of keep working with it there. Maybe I want to bring it up a little bit and just play with all of these little features. So just remember whichever you're selected in the slider is going to be what you're affecting here. So you'll have to make sure that wherever you want to edit, you have that selected as you go. Have fun.